Hello everyone, I am
Assalamualaikum
back
everyone.
with another
I'm
quick
back with
tutorial.
another quick tutorial.
Let's keep it simple for you.
It simple for you.
A lot of pupils are confused about managing background services,
managing background
especially since it was
services,
super
especially
easy to
since
handle
it
them in
was
Windows
super
10.
easy to handle them
You can
in
click on
Windows 10.
Windows Startup button,
You can click on
go into
Windows
Settings,
Startup button, go into Settings, Privacy,
find background apps on the left side panel and uncheck the option background
uncheck
apps.
the option background apps.
Simple, right?
Simple. Right?
But now the question is, how do we disable
how do
background
we
services
disable
in Windows
background
11,
services in Windows
2,
11, 2,
4,
4, H2 in
H2
2024?
in 2024?
Well, unlike
Windows
Windows
10, we can't disable these services directly, but we can manage them through Group Policy Editor.
Group Policy Editor.
First, press Windows plus R at the
First,
same time, then
press
type
Windows plus R at
GPED
the same time, then type
IT.MSC.
gpedit.msc. This will open
the Group Policy Editor.
Here, how
Here
we can manage the background services.
Go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates on the right side, and then Windows Components.
And then Windows Components.
Now find App Privacy. Look for Let's Windows App Run in the background.
Let's Windows App Run in the background. Click on it
and set it to disable.
Hit apply and OK.
And
you are
OK.
done. Simple,
and
right?
You're done,
I hope
simple,
today's
right?
tutorial was easy
I
to
hope
follow.
today's tutorial was easy to follow. If you have any question or
feel
suggestion,
free to drop them in the comment section.
Feel free to drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.